Tejasvi. Welcome to Startup Studio with Adolf. Please introduce yourself to the panel and explain your big idea for our viewers.
My name is Tejasvi Bhalna and I'm an 11-year-old student of GEAR International School, Bengaluru. My big idea is to start a health and fitness clubs for seniors.
Hi Tejasvi. What sort of health and fitness clubs do you have in mind? I ask because I want to understand how are they going to be different from existing yoga or recreational centers that already exist for seniors.
Well, these days there are no health and fitness clubs dedicated to seniors. What you have are medical facilities in senior citizens' homes or health centers and hospitals, but you have no fitness and health club dedicated to seniors. Everyone assumes that seniors are beyond it, but that's not true. They would not be getting so many health problems if they were fit. Many of them go to clubs to play cards and tambola. I want them to come to my club to get fit, enjoy themselves, have a protein-rich drink or meal, and socialize with other similar people.
Okay, all right. So where do you get your inspiration from to build such a service for seniors?
My father had a back pain, and when he tried to join fitness studios, none of them were right for him. I thought that if he had a safe place to exercise under supervision that was not a medical facility, he would have recovered really quickly. Also, he would have been motivated to go if it is not a hospital.
That's a valid point. So who else is in this space in the fitness industry, and what sort of services do they provide?
You have DTH like Tata Sky, which has a dedicated channel for seniors, but clubs none, which is why I think there's a huge gap in the market.
Okay, but aren't there many fitness apps that provide the necessary information? So how's your proposal better?
Well, just as I do, that an app can only do so much. I want people that are 50 plus to come to my club. I am sure that they will reach fitness levels that they desire in a safe and private environment.
All right. Okay, so a question for you is why can't they just go to a regular gym?
So many middle-aged people feel embarrassed to train in a place where younger people are doing amazing things. I want to show them that there's a place specially for them.
Okay. Can you please describe the services that you plan to offer at these centers?
Sure. I will have yoga, gentle Pilates, the usual fitness machines which are not too intense, and there will be healthy snacks and drinks at the organic cafe, trainers, physios, advisors, and many other things, such as a calendar of events. Many seniors cannot manage high-intensity exercises, but some can. My calendar will tell them what is suitable at their level.
Okay, that does sound promising, Tejasvi. What about pricing? Have you thought how much you would be charging them for these services?
So there will be monthly pricing and special pricing for individual programs. Seniors can choose to pay for only the health facilities or at the club membership for the ancillary services, basis their requirement. But I want to make this affordable, so it will be priced in the lower bracket.
And how do you plan to reach your audience? What's your marketing approach? How will people come to know that you are providing such a service?
To begin with, I plan to build awareness within my society and some of the other neighborhood areas. My posters will be everywhere and also be used as newspaper inserts.
Okay, but where would you find a place to open your centers? Do you have something in mind?
I have already earmarked 2 large spaces in my society club house for my organic cafe and yoga center. I have reserved the gym for my seniors 3 days a week exclusively, when nobody else would be there other than my trainers and trained physio.
Okay, all right. But what happens if a senior citizen gets injured at your club? Do you have a plan for that?
Our physios and trainers will be certified in geriatric care. I will be taking a waiver from all of the members before they join so that they don't have any life-threatening problems. But just in case something happens, we'll have the support from the nearest good hospital for emergency care.
That sounds great, Tejasvi. One last question that I have for you is that do you have a name for your venture and a tagline?
Well, the name for my fitness studio is Fitness for Seniors, and my tagline is Just Believe.
And why the tagline Just Believe? Why did you choose it?
Because mostly all of the seniors think that they won't be able to do exercises and many other things. They just need to believe and they'll be able to become fit.
Wonderful. I think you seem to have your heart and mind at the right place, Tejasvi. We wish you all the very best for your entrepreneurial journey and hope that you're able to give a new life to the senior citizens in your community. Thank you so much for sharing your idea with Evolve Startup Studios. More power to you, Tejasvi, and bye for now.
Bye, Tejasvi. Thank you.
Yay!